The most delicious power of feminine energy, it's this: believing in the unseen. And yes, I'm serious. Your feminine energy is the key to manifesting your desired reality because it removes doubt and it builds trust. So indirectly, it helps you regulate your nervous system for the new reality, for relaxation, acceptance, abundance, and receiving. I'm gonna go right into it. Masculine energy, it needs structure, plan, step by step, organization. It follows systems, lines, logic, and it needs proof to do all of that. It's the left brain, linear, measurable, predictable, protective. But feminine energy, she is imagination, creation, the womb of what doesn't exist yet. She turns a single seed into a tree full of fruits. Who could have guessed that from that little seed you could have a tree full of fruits? And she turns a microscopic sperm into a human being. How is that possible? And she moves entire oceans with magnetic force by just being as it is. Not forcing, not trying, not convincing, but simply just by being. And she does all of this by trusting the unseen, trusting the invisible, by surrendering. She doesn't rush the ride and she doesn't demand evidence that the tree will bear fruits, or she doesn't force the embryo to grow faster, because the feminine energy doesn't work with logic. She doesn't obsess over numbers, timelines, graphs, analytics, statistics. She feels, she knows, she roots, she waits, not with fear, but with faith. And at the moment you stop searching for a proof that your desires are gonna manifest, or searching for a proof that your SP is loving you, or you're gonna get that promotion, you're gonna become successful, you're gonna earn that money. The moment you let your mind and body rest, simply just be, you are stepping into your feminine power, even without noticing. And that's when you shift, because in this energy, slowness is speed. Despite what you've been programmed with in your society, in our masculine capitalistic societies, now you know slowness is speed. Intuition becomes your map. You don't need step by step breakdowns, analysis, guidelines, blueprints, plan B, C, D's. Flow is your rhythm. Flow with it, with intention and action, but not against it, not against the waves of life. With it, but with flow, with flexibility. And just now, life starts to revolve around you, because you are no more chasing it. You are no more going after or against it. You are just being you. You are doing what you are inspired to do. You are setting intentions in accordance with what you feel the urge to do. You stop chasing, you start attracting. When you return to your center, you become what you always meant to be, a living portal of creation. And I know this might come unnatural to logical minds like myself a couple of years ago. You might think, how can I be a magical portal attracting my desires? Like, it doesn't even feel possible to you. That idea is so surreal, as if it's only possible for some people and not you. But let me remind you this: as a feminine, your nature is already rewired for being centered in your energy and attracting things into your life. This is why masculine is the doer and you are the beer. Yes, you need to be. You are not here to chase. You're not here to earn your place. And I know that's what we've been programmed with. That's why we feel like attracting easily, naturally, effortlessly feels like unreal. So unreal. But this is the truth. You can either choose to peel the layers of conditioning and come back to your true self, your nature, or you may keep living from that identity that you learned, which keeps you in constant struggle, hustle, and exhaustion. I can only give you an advice as a person who once been there and now shifting into the other side. I've never felt this light, supported, and life never felt that easy before. Trust me, when I was trying to earn my place, stand on my foot, become the independent, strong woman, it never felt this free, easy, and independent. Because back then I was dependent on earning my place, proving myself, and seeing the proofs to feel validated, to know that I'm in the right place, to know that I'm doing the right thing. But now that I've shifted to my natural way of being, peeled the layers of conditioning, peeled the layers of protection, protective mechanism for survival, and conditioned my body, my nervous system, and my subconscious for these beautiful feminine traits, I became more powerful, more supported, easily flowing with life, started to receive, started to see the shifts in my reality without any force, without taking any action that is not aligned with my soul. So I'm hoping the same for you. And if this resonates with you, drop me a comment and share how you feel right now. And I want you to see in a few months practicing what I said in this video to shift into this new radiant magnetic version of you and come back to share your experience with everyone to become their inspiration. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to check out my magnetic feminine portal workbook. It's everything you need to know about healing your feminine energy, also your masculine energy, and coming to this beautiful balance again, rebalancing your body, your nervous system, all parts of your body, mind, and spirit with this magical work that I've prepared for you. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.